Why would I do a blog and a video about a vegetable garden when I talk and teach entrepreneurial skills online and offline? Because I know and I believe that to be able to eat well and to be able to grow some of our vegetables has really helped me to sustain my energy and keep me well and healthy. So what do I recommend to grow, even if you don't have this amount of land to be able to grow some vegetables or some herbs? Is wherever you are in the world, you could have a few small pots of herbs. You could have some small variations of small spinach like this. This is a big one. I can afford to grow this size. Choose your herbs. Google what are the best herbs for your environment, for your area and your planet. For me, I grow mint, well, a couple of mints actually. I grow a couple of mints, basil, coriander. I think that's about it. And then I always grow a couple of varieties of spinaches, lettuces, maybe one or two tomato plants. My basic rule the last couple of years is 3 or 4 or 5 herbs, some lettuces and some spinaches. It's easy to maintain, and I know that I can then go and add my greens to my drinks and my meals at night. So to summarize, it's no matter if you have a little tiny porch in an apartment, have 2 or 3 pots that you could have some spring onion, maybe a basil plant and a coriander all in the same pot that you just pick leaves from. And then you could have a miniature spinach in another pot if that's the tiny amount that you have, the space that you have. Otherwise, Google what is the best vegetables for your environment at that time of the year. Feed them up well, use organic manures, and be basic. You don't have to be a magician to have some beautiful food to add to food that comes from your supermarkets. I hope this helps you to sustain and build your energy.